Is it time to step up your blinker game? If you purchased a brand new motorcycle, the turn signal indicators probably look something like this. These are big, bulky, and not very attractive. Today I'll be showing you an unboxing and review of the Rizoma Vision Turn Signal indicators, which are street legal, small, very bright, and very attractive. Let's hop right in. Again, we're seeing very attractive and elegant packaging from Rizoma with the two seals on either end. The inside's packaged in foam, which is shaped to the turn signal, so let's go ahead and take that out. Alright, so we can see the lovely turn indicator here with anodized billet aluminum. So the whole body is aluminum. Then you have the 5 sequential LED lights on the inside, which face outward like this, and with the Rizoma branding on both sides, since this turn signal can be placed on 2 sides of the motorcycle. Here you see your wiring and threading. Inside the rest of the package, here we have different resistors depending on which type of motorcycle you have, and this is all outlined in the instruction manual. For my Ducati Monster, I won't need this since it does come stock with LED back indicators. So put that to the side. Here we have more mounting material and a cap to cover the inside threading. Once that's installed, that'll go like this. And then here we have the instruction manual, which is quite good, and it will show you the various makes and models of motorcycles and tell you which scheme to use for installation. For example, here you're going to need the resistors, and here's various configurations. Overall, these Rizoma Vision turn signals are a fantastic product if you want smaller, street legal turn signal indicators. They're very bright and very attractive. I'll be putting them on my 2023 Ducati Monster, so stay tuned and I'll have that in another video. Thank you for following along with the channel.